morning, everyone. It is cleaning and cooking day before Matt and I go out of town. You can put that on. Go ahead and put that on. And we have a lot to do. The girls' beddings are all washed. Mine's getting washed tomorrow. But we have been crazy busy trying to get ready for this trip away. And I know that sounds crazy. Matt and I are only going to be gone 2 nights. And we're not even leaving state. We're only going like a couple hours away. But we've got a lot to do. So this has eaten up part of my time. Was getting some sewing done for Matt and I for this trip. And I still have to hem both of our pieces today. His sleeves need done. And the hem of my skirt needs done. And my sleeves? Yeah, and my sleeves. Madeline got some of the dishes done. We've been rotating and trying to get them done. Really hoping to get a dishwasher this year. Replace the one that's broken. But top priority right now is clean the table off because there's still food on the table that we're fixing to bake with. Get this cleaned off. We're going to bake. And we're going to take you along on our fun day. So, see you in a sec. Taking a lunch break. Sarah has the dog kennel bedding washed and cleaned. We've mopped in here. We've got a couple of batches of muffins in process and made and already put up. And then we are working on eating lunch right now, finishing off leftovers and have the fridge cleaned out. Come on, Chubby. Kennel. How dry is he after his bath?
Pretty dry.
Kennel. Did you have a bath? Oh, good boy. Let's have lunch, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing? she has to sit on the car to help.
Well, I mean, it is kind of high.
Yeah, but I mean, like, she's that far off the ground.
I couldn't see right there, so Daddy lifted me up.
Whereas I can just stand on my tiptoes and see it.
Dinner will be ready in 25 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Have fun.
Catch pen worked great.
We'll be
Good.
happy to stay out here with Daddy for only 25
So oil change before we go.
Yep.
Awesome.
This is the last bit of oil.
8 quarts.
8 quarts.
It looks pretty.
Why do we have such a big truck?
Because we haul a lot.
Because when we went to Pennsylvania, the whole back of it was filled. We couldn't have fit a map into the back of the truck.
What?
What?
Alright.
And hopefully we'll be going back this year.
Take this, put it here.
It could possibly slide down, maybe.
Our last trip.
I want to go back under the
Was
truck.
eventful.
Are we good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go check on your dinner.
Can we stay out there?
Can you help her
Out
down?
here